What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Whetu. I'm your host Whetu. Today we're gonna go over a new silhouette that Nike has brought out in the Air Max range. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, tell me this. What do you get when you take an Air Max 180 and an Air Max 93 and combine them together? You get Air Max 270. Now I picked these up the other week, been wanting to do a review on these. I actually was waiting to pick up a pair of the Air Max 93s, which I picked up today. Super sick shoe. It was just the OG colorway in an Air Max silhouette. Thing like this is just hell dad crap. Super sick, so that's the Air Max 180. But we're here to talk about the Air Max 270. Now, as you can see, they did take a lot of inspiration from the Air Max 180 and the Air Max 93 to bring you the Air Max 270. As you can see, the air unit on the back of the heel does go around the shoe at a 270 degree. So you can see from the Air Max 93 where the air unit actually goes all the way around the side, around the back, and around the other side. So that's where that bit of the air unit comes from. And of course the Air Max 180 where the air unit goes 180 degrees under the shoe, around, which you can also see on the Air Max 270. A couple of other similarities I did find between the Air Maxes. You can see the toe box where you've got your hyperfused material on the Air Max 270 is also very similar to the toe box that you will find on the Air Max 93. A couple of things I also did notice on the back heel here is very similar to your heel on the Air Max 180. Now I ended up getting this colorway in, I'm not sure what the nickname is for this one, but it's like a tan kind of colorway with your black hyperfused material, and then it's kind of, I want to say solar red, being a men's shoe, but it does look like more of a pink air bubble at the back. Probably going to be a little while till I upload this video, so it will come out late, but from the recording of this video tomorrow, Nike is dropping, I want to call it a Knicks colorway in the Air Max 270, so we'll be nabbing one of those up for sure. Super dope shoe. I've worn it to the gym once. Probably hugs my foot a little bit too much for me to want to exercise in. The air unit on this is actually the first ever air unit that was designed for lifestyle sneakers. So all the air units that you'll find on every single Air Max prior to the Air Max 270, they were all designed for a performance purpose, where this air unit was the first one that was ever made for a lifestyle purpose, which is super sick. And it was actually really cool. I remember a few years ago I was in a sneaker store in Brisbane City called Lace, and I was having a conversation with one of the owners there, and this was back when I was heavily collecting Jordans. Like, everyone was on the Jordan train, and we had a conversation about where sneakers were going, because at the time everyone was just collecting retros and re-releases. Like, everyone was just into old sneakers that were coming back out, and no one was really buying anything new. And me and him talked about, like, where's the future of sneakers going to be? And I think, especially with what Adidas did with NMDs, Ultra Boost, like bringing out new silhouettes like that, and then you have Nike, which is bringing out VaporMax, Air Max 270s. I think we're going in a really good direction with sneakers. You'll still find retros are still coming out, as you see, like the Air Max 180 and the Air Max 93, which dropped this year, which I picked up as well. Those retros still come out. People are always going to cop them, but as far as a new silhouette goes, I really like the direction Nike was going with this Air Max 270. When I saw the 270s, I thought it was a cool silhouette, but I was waiting for the colorway that I like to come out in to try them. Saw a few of the white colorways that came out, didn't really do too much for me. I saw the Air Max 270 Tigers, saw those online, didn't think too much of those either, but then I saw them on feet, how people were wearing them, and God, they're such a killer sneaker. I really want to try and hunt down the Tiger one as well. But I saw this one in shop, really liked it, and then just bought it out on a limb. I was like, nah, I'll just try it, see how it goes. So I copped the tan colorway, and then when I looked on YouTube, like, this was a pretty sought after colorway. Like, a lot of people who were reviewing the Air Max 270 were reviewing this colorway, which was, you know, kind of cool. So it's a super easy shoe to wear. Real trippy when you wear it. When you lean forward, you'll notice it's real stiff. And then when you come back on that air bubble, you can just feel your foot, not so much roll around, but you can definitely feel that 270 degree air bubble. Yeah, never had that in a shoe before, so that was definitely a different feeling. If you wanted to try a pair of the Air Max 270s out, you can always find pairs on, I know Hype still has some, Platypus. I got mine from a Nike store. I know Foot Locker and Hype will be getting the next colorways tomorrow. And I know Ash, she saw a magenta pair. It's kind of like a pinky purple pair. She wants to get, so I think I'm going to get those for her too, just so she can try those out, so she can see what the Air Max 270 is like. If you're going to get yourself a pair, I do highly suggest stay true to size. I'm a 13, mine fits a bit snug, but like it's fine. I'm sure it will stretch out a little bit. I feel like if I went half size up, which I don't think I could do anyway, whether I wanted to or not, it'd be too big. Go half size down 12 and a half, I know it will definitely be too small. So stay true to your size if you're buying Air Max 270s online. So I'll give you a quick rundown on the shoe. Biggest part that sticks out, you've got your Air Max 270 air bubble that goes around the back. On the back heel cage, you've got like a mesh material that has your Air logo. On the inside of the shoe, you've got your different Air Max logo. The whole upper is just one silhouette, so your tongue and everything is all one piece. I noticed your laces, they start off a bit crooked, but so that's a cool different look to it. Mostly mesh material, and then you've got your hyperfuse hits around your toe box and up your side panels, just to give it a bit more durability. Now you got your Air 70 going up the heel. You've got your 2 Nike swooshes, one on the side panel and one down near the toe liner. Same on the other side, got your swoosh on the opposite side, and then your 270 logo right there. That's a quick rundown of the shoe, guys. We'll get into the on feet right now. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that review on the Air Max 270. So if you're ever wondering where the design of the Air Max 270 came from, if anyone asks, you know to tell them that the Air Max 270 came from the Air Max 180 and the Air Max 93. Alright, now if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't liked this video and you enjoy what you saw, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with all your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay fresh. Peace.